God bless you, ladies and gentlemen, for tuning in today. I have an exciting announcement. First of all, we have crossed 2,000 subscribers already and we're growing fast. And the videos around the Zenchain project we're currently interacting with have successfully taken off, thanks to God as well. And that's why I'm recording this video, because I keep getting comments from some of our community members regarding the frustrations and the difficulties that they are having. So here is what I am going to do, and this is the strategy I have employed. Subscribe, turn on bell notifications, okay, so that you will be getting our updates as we are pushing them. So if you head over to the community section of Overworks, I have made a documentation collection available as a post, I beg your pardon, and this is it. Actually, I made two. One of them is the celebration of our 2000 members anniversary, and as of the time I posted this, humorously, we were sitting on 2025 members, which is 2025, the year we're approaching soon. Anyway, thanks to God for that. Thank you. Welcome on board. So the main focus for this video is going to be short, is this. So this post right here, this is a documentation, a collection of any of the challenges you're having, and all I want you to do is please come over to this post and comment below the frustrations you're having, the difficulties you're having, what you think I should provide assistance on. Okay, so I want to compile a list of these challenges and just make a dedicated video to that purpose. So all of the challenges that you guys will be dropping here, I will be watching. I'm going to collect them and I'm going to create a video where each of these challenges or groups of challenges, because some of us might have similar challenges and I probably must have talked about them before in the previous videos. For the ones that are similar, I'll just group them together and just talk about them. For the ones that are unique, I'll speak to them individually. So that's going to be all for this video. Thank you all. And please do not forget to subscribe to Overworks, because these are the type of things that we talk about. We are community driven and I am thinking the best way to serve you. And one of them is the article that I have created. So please do well to check out all of the videos that we have released so far and share them as well. So that's going to be all. Thank you. God bless you. Love you. I'll see you guys in the next video.